headlines. Locals disgruntled by illegal electrofishing in Loktak Lake. JNIMS professors' body demands early implementation of time-scale promotion. And sit-in staged to condemn allegations by KCP PWG against school principal. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Locals have expressed disgruntlement over illegal electrofishing carrying out in some parts of Loktak Lake in Bishnupur district due to illegal fishing activity during night time by using electric devices at Thinungai Bird Sanctuary and Lamyai of Loktak Lake. Several hundreds of dead fish are found floating in the water every morning since the past 2 months, the locals said. Forest officials of Bishnupur district are keeping mum on the matter. According to information received by Tom TV, in this scenario, the villagers are concerned that fish breeding will be impossible in the lake. It is also learned that attempts by locals to prevent the fishing activity often lead to altercation. Members of assistant professors, senior residents and associate professors staged a sit-in protest in front of Medical Superintendent's office at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal, demanding implementation of time-scale promotion. Speaking about the strike, APSRA President Dr. Ningthaujam Kumarjit Singh said that the time-scale promotion has already been implemented at RIMS. Despite repeated demand, the concerned authority has turned a deaf ear, he lamented. Dr. Kumarjit threatened that if the demands are not met at the earliest, they will launch cease work strike from August 2nd.
Palm strike as a Sungbam Pamsidi, Akoidi Yam peacefully, Dr. Amagi Matok to Honbiba, Akoidi Ozamgi Matok Toraga, Ingla Tapna Lejage Hybeduni, Hanadegisu repeated assurance Mamam PV, Aduga Tabakta, Yon on Hok Pirecta Visita. Sahi Ama Makai Muxuzilla as a Pirecta Visita, Nuaita, last resort in a Sang the Via the Bagi, Akoi Junction Jerapani.
Teaching, non-teaching staffs, school authority along with PTA of St. Joseph High Secondary School, local guardians and students of St. Joseph High Secondary School, Sangai Pro today staged a sit-in protest in front of the school campus. The sit-in protest was held to condemn accusations made by the proscribed group KCP People's War Group against the principal of St. Joseph High Secondary School, Rev. Father Victor Arul.
We have got only moral values. I'm taking moral science for my children. If I don't have morality, and therefore there's no use of going and taking classes. You prove and kill. Don't kill and then you prove my wrong. So please, whoever done this, I humbly request, come and find the evidence, clarify the matter, and then you declare it in the newspaper, whether things are correct or wrong.
The protesters held placards that read, "Save St. Joseph High Secondary School, we want peace," and so on.
We want don't assassinate. Don't assassinate.
Students of Suraj Rare Flower School, Kongba Leiren Path Modern Academy, Uchekun Leiren Path Machin DSAC Academic Center, Irulbung Kairao Leshram Mani Memorial English Academy, Kongba Dhobi Lampak, St. Sebastian High School, Wangkai High School, Wangkai Kaitil Ashangbi and Royal Academy of Science, Wangkai Ningthem Pukrimapan staged massive sit-in protest demanding the inquiry committee report on the board examination mark manipulation. The sit-in protest was organized by Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Assam.
Board ki committee de semja da yariba makoi gi rules and regulation adagi makoina khanagi banai na kiba do akoi gi student sing da natraga media gi mafam da kitang khanghan biragadi akhoi su kitang nuaijabo oizangani aduga student amagi career da sokadaba sina maram oraga makhoi na kitang oja sing dusu check kitang evaluation to matamda ama anira khatana traga su moina corruption tawdabida student amagi career da manggadabado kitang khangbiraga corruption tawdabida phasana check to tawbiragadi kitang harau bigani haina harau bini
Lasalakpada akhoi si famjariba protest ase mari na authority singna yengjan biyo me yengjang biyo aduga saksia thamjak
Manipur gi amata ngairba board amadi Manipur da leiriba mahiroi sing asigi makhoi gi right kannabagi damak makhoi gi punsi kannabagi damak Manipur gi board kannabagi damak akhoi gi haujik leiriba haujik board ki member oibiriba singna niyom chumna thabak tawba ngamoidaba oirgadi board ki member sing asi khudakta pham thadok piu aduga Education Minister nasu hairiba board ta leiriba amot pakaya asi masi yengshin biduna yamna taseng ba taruba board ama ohenba ngamoidabo oitaragadi Education Minister su pham konduna lebagi matam natre maram aduna haujik changchiliba democratic oiba desamna changsin jariba democratic oiba khongjang singasi sarkar na thawoidaba taragadi akhoi makhatana Masidagi hena sathiba hingsa yawba tongan ba khongjang kaya changchiligloi haningai leite
A signature campaign rally was staged against the mysterious death of Anne Baby Sana. The rally, which started from Juribam Higher Secondary School, was held under the supervision of District Organizing Secretary of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Sharungbam Inaucha, who is also National Executive Council member of Juribam. Students of JHSS, Cambridge English School, RK Sanatombi Vidyalaya, Highway English School, Modern English School and Blooming Flower Children English School collectively gave signatures demanding justice for Baby Sana. Sharungbam Inaucha said the ABVP launched the signature campaign in support of all civil society organizations seeking justice for Baby Sana, 13-year-old student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur. Inaucha extended condolences to the bereaved family of Baby Sana. Social activist Manoj Roy also took part in the signature campaign.
Baby Sanagi na lairam len da ing ching da lairun mi tamakta ABV Jibamna matam leiba khod kibimakta shorgi mafam da thawnin jari aduga masi ga loina na Baby Sanagi imung manungda magi asengba langlalangsi phangji fawba aida asengba justice phangji fawba matam khudimakta magi imung manunggi awabada saruk yajagani.
Manipur High Court has directed Additional Advocate General S. Rupa Chandra to submit a reply affidavit on August 7 pertaining to the state government on the grant of quarrying license. The court further warned media to take caution of giving unwarranted publicity to agitations that promote illegal acts of sand quarrying, mining and transportation. Earlier on Wednesday, a double bench of High Court comprising of Chief Justice Ramlingam Sudhakar and Justice K.H. Nobin heard the public interest litigation regarding the preservation of Thawbal River. DM College of Teacher Education Imphal today conducted an induction cum orientation program for the newly enrolled student teacher trainees of Bachelor of Education in first semester at the whole of DMCTE Imphal. More than 150 trainees of pre-service and in-service took part in the program. Talking to Tom TV in this regard, Principal of DMCTE, Dr. H. Ibomcha Sharma, asserted on the primary objective of the event as highlighting the importance of teaching profession to the trainees and roles of teachers in shaping the future of every student.
अखोई ना ओजासिंग से उरगा याम बेबार तोरंबा अदो होजो मतम दे ओजासि बेबार तोरक्तबा ओजाना ओजा ओरक्तबा सिंगम म्याम से खलगा अखोई ना अफबा छात्र पुथोकनबा अफबा ओजा पुथोकनबा अदुमे पांदम दे कोई ngasi kanise induction cum orientation program se sata jabani masida अखोई ना ngasi pigado instruction म्याम से मसी छात्र सिन लोकसलम मतम दे अखोई ना मखा ताब ट्रेनिंग दे अखोई ना यामना ओजासिंग की थ्रू दा पिरकदो थैंक यू
Universal Family Organization Southeast Asia Northeast India today observed its third Foundation Day at Ipa Loyalapa Imanungthel Leima Haraupung Taubungkhong Awang Mayai Lekai Imphal. A book titled Nungangkre, written by the president of the organization, was also released on the occasion.
Taung Malem Pumba nungai apana lalai to male amaga loinana ingna chingna mahuksagi kalkai riba asina chingba punamak nauna muk semtoktana miwebagi thawai khudimak amana amabu kai khona unaja nungai apana paminaba dumba tayong parab lakna midamta mapuna piba pawdamgi matungina ngasi asi nongan khare haiba laira si phongjabani.
Heading for a short break now, but coming up. Sikh newborn care unit inaugurated at Khangabuk. Do stay tuned for more.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital laijaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. A Sikh newborn care unit under the supervision of District Hospital Management Society, Thoubal, was inaugurated at Khangabuk District Hospital today. An induction program for nurses of 5th batch in certificate course in community health was also conducted as part of the event. Director of State Mission Dr. S. Manikanta Singh, Medical Superintendent of Thoubal District Hospital Dr. C.H. Memsha Devi, Regional Director of IGNO Imphal Dr. S.J. Nithiranjan and Chief Medical Officer Dr. N. Jayanta Kumar Singh were the main attendees of the event. Resource persons, Senior Pediatrician of Thoubal District Hospital Dr. W. Rohini Kumar delivered speech on Sikh newborn care unit, while N.G. Monata Devi spoke on certificate course in community health for nurses during the function.
So what we're trying is that in this way, what we are going to train. We're trying to provide free of services in maybe free diagnostic initiatives or in maybe free medicine initiatives. What we will try.
State Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam yesterday met Union Minister of Human Resource Development Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank in New Delhi. Minister Radheshyam during the meeting briefed Ramesh Pokhriyal on the overall educational scenario in the state while stressing on the need for appointment of a regular Vice Chancellor for Manipur University. The Moirang Apunba Maira Paibi Ima Loop and civil society organizations have launched a sustained anti-substance campaign for the first time in the area covered under Moirang Municipal Council of Bishnupur district today. On July 17, the organization had announced to start the campaign. IABP intra-aortic balloon pump saved the life of a young man named Azad Khan, aged 35 years, resident of Mayang, Imphal today. Managing Director of Sky Hospital, Dr. L. Shyam Kishore, stated that IABP is a life-saving machine. If timely used in the hand of experienced cardiologist, saves life. Khan presented to emergency room at 8:30 p.m. of July 1st, last with acute massive heart attack. By the time he arrived at the hospital, he already developed severe heart failure and cardiogenic shock as complication of the heart attack. Within minutes of his arrival at Sky Hospital, appropriate treatment was given to him. A one-day free Ayush health camp was held at Khuga in Churachandpur district today in connection with public health outreach activities under National Ayush Mission in collaboration with Directorate of Ayush Lamphilpat, State Ayush Society and 2nd Assam Rifles, Lamkhimpur, Churachandpur district. Chairman of ADC Churachandpur T. Pukhailan inaugurated the event wherein around 350 patients were examined by experts and medicines were also distributed to patients. Low-cost variety chicks, Rainbow Roaster, were distributed to 117 beneficiaries from 14 selected Jilla Parishads in Imphal West District. The distribution was done at the office of Jilla Parishad District Council Adhyaksha under the Revolution of Power to Panchayati Raj Institute. Director of Veterinary Department Dr. H. Chauba said that chicken, pigs and cattle will also be distributed to all the districts under National Livestock Mission. He also underlined the importance of self-employment generation by starting small farm.
District khudingi farmers training program se khoi leje dum pizari madu ta su khoi beneficiary sing si maximum da loinamak khoi training program se dum pizani farmers training makada ana masida khoi yen phangbiri ba khoi lomi sininau sing farmers sing duga entrepreneur sing da masidagi haudu oga apik pasidagi khoi khara khara haudu oga hainaraga yam chauna commercial scale da matang lakna khoi gi employment generation na singbagi matang khoi sum no tawbirak ko yai
मैम ऐसे थुंग्रे मा थुंदे है वारोबीदब अखोसे थुंगप मसिंग लोन थुपना अतई तौबना चदेब असेंब प्रायोरिटीद खितंग नातई चादब विडोगी अदई खितंग खोई सुम लेदना प्रायोरिटी पीब याबदो मथंग मथंग खोई तौजगे नामुक थुंगौदमना हंदमुक थुंगौदमना मथंगदा सुमाइना खोई 1 by 1 सुम तौजगे ना तौजे अदो यामना नुंगाइदि सुमाइना डिपार्टमेंटना खोइदा डिवोल्यूशन पावर से याम गेरा याम ओइरा खरा पिफम थोप फंगजबसे अखोई दुकी मते हराउजे
Group Central Reserve Police Force CRPF Langjing Imphal observed its 19th Raising Day yesterday at its premises. As a part of the event, a one-day development program come buyer-seller meet was conducted by National Small Industries Corporation. 50 registered food processing units and handloom and handicrafts industries participated in the program. Commandant of 113 Battalion Border Security Force, Hidam Subul Singh handed over 1,061 kg of alum and 1,450 kg of bleaching powder to the Water Supply Maintenance and Operational Committee of Ningthokong Water Supply Plant today. The step was taken as a part of series of civic action program conducted by the battalion for providing safe and pure drinking water to the public. The water supply plant is the only source of water for the entire population of Ningthokong and nearby villages. MLA of Bishnupur Assembly Constituency Govindas Konthojam, Deputy Commandant Drop Singh, General Secretary of Water Supply Maintenance and Operational Committee P. Tomba Singh and other members of the committee also attended the function. The battalion also distributed sports items to the staff and students of Bal Vidya Mandir Ningthokong. Under the civic action program taken up by Assam Rifles in the state, 182 Border Security Force, Koirangai under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF, Manipur undertook a project for providing drinking water to Oksu Ningthemcha village, Imphal East yesterday. Also, on the occasion of strengthening of village, electric grid backup LED street lights along with 5 bundles of CGI roofing sheets and other accessories were handed over to Laisingphung village chief in the presence of second in command of the battalion T.H. Binod Singh and other officials. Well, let's take another short break, but coming up, rally promoting Manipuri music video album Imanang Naheli held. More after the break.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom gi leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loinana khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobihau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba adu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak Lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirau.
Lamjingba jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Studio 11, India's favorite salon and spa, now at Imphal. Our services are haircut, hair straightening, global color, body spa, hair spa, waxing, threading, facial and treatment, hand and feet care, makeup. body massage. Studio 11, Salon and Spa Imphal. Look fabulous. Fitness World Building, Singzamai Mathak Jongtham Lekai, Imphal West. Phone number 0385 2440164.
Welcome back. Film director Pilu H flagged off a rally from Wall Club which marched through Wangkai Angom Lekai and Sanang Mahi Kiong at Baruni Ching in Imphal East, carrying the message Imanang Naheli in promotion of a Manipuri music video album sung and composed by Amarjit Laurembam. Speaking on the sidelines of the rally, Amarjit stated that ignoring the strength and quality of the state has created chaos in the state. The rally hopes to root out this ignorance, he added. Amarjit further said that a music video album entitled Imanang Naheli will be released soon.
Awa kya nangaga macham oina ba semakpa machama chauna ba yolakpada mama singna wabi ki ba matungda masidi ama bu mirai rakpa imaning ba walakpa mayam dagi leba asi kaitharak pagum oina Thokleena Aibasina Wakanda Kanjabadegi, Macha Obagi Wakalda Taunama Bibi Nabagi the Makta Potokjava music video album ni.
Managing Director of Radiant Group, Nepram Romeo, said that the Radiant Creative Agency was established to compete the world in the field of media. Speaking at the inauguration of Radiant Creative Agency, a unit of Radiant Group at Kashamthum, Hudam Leirak, Romeo said that the agency will help people in the field of video advertisement, ad making, brand management and content writing.
YouTuber mama social site thanaba sigi exactly subsaba marketing gi oiba akoi content writer gumba adagi message ta koi loi phangani hai tare aduga ani suga section jina koi Radiant builders in hangbani sisna koina Radiant gi maru oiba akoi gi any koi gi construction da any part ta cc office sina akoi gi mateng panggadabani koi LED gi oiba koi gi board singsi Manipur gi mafam da koina mafam Mari Mangagumba koi hojik thangat kena khali message su koi add tongingba du add chaningba mayam su koi Radiant Creative Agency da koi saba yani aduna mafam sing asi hanga kanda masi koi value sing si koi lerakani haina ai thamjage.
Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar contributed ₹5 crore to the Assam Chief Minister's Relief Fund in order to help the flood-affected people in the state. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal thanked Khattar for his massive contribution to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. A delegation of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council contributed also ₹6,81,108 to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Non-governmental organizations Ajmal Foundation and Markazul Marif handed over checks of ₹10 lakh and ₹5 lakh respectively. President Ramnath Kovind has given his assent to the Triple Talaq bill that makes giving instant oral triple talaq or talaq-e-badat a criminal offence with provisions of jail term up to 3 years. The Triple Talaq Law or the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 has come into effect retrospectively from September 19, 2018. North Korea fired what appeared to be short-range ballistic missiles twice yesterday into the sea off its eastern coast in its third round of weapons test in just over a week. The testing activity is seen as brinkmanship aimed at increasing pressure on Seoul and Washington over stalled nuclear negotiations. North Korea also has expressed frustration at planned US-South Korean military exercises. Now let's have a look at the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, Baby Sana's death case, mob attacks court, anticipatory bail for principal rejected. President says yes to Triple Talaq bill. Sawambung Bridge to be completed within 4 to 5 months. RN Ravi takes oath as Nagaland governor. Manipur women held with drugs in Shillong. The People's Chronicle. ITC reps government for failure to curb illegal quarrying. Meet to discuss policy on quarrying. Radhesham briefs HRD Minister on education scenario in state. Mob rains, stones, eggs. JSC denies involvement. Court rejects bail plea of Landoni and daughter. Organic Manipur products impress at Goa Expo. Imphal Free Press. Baby Sana's family and JSC members storm Chairap Court. Court rejects anticipatory bail sought by Landoni and daughter. Victim's father blames Stan for delaying case in sexual assault case. 14 hours bun, witnesses mixed responses. Few hiccups at some places. The morning bell. Anticipatory bail of principal and administrator rejected. Police foils protesters' bids to storm court complex. Court 6 government stand on license for sand, stone mining, cautions against unwarranted publicity to agitations. 2 injured in Kuki militant factional fight. CRPC 144 claimed in Sisipur town. ZRO, ZRF, ZDV condemned. 2 women from Manipur arrested in Meghalaya with drugs worth ₹70 lakh. Education Minister briefs HRD Minister on the scenario of education in state. Stresses on appointment of regular VC for MU. Manipur Mail. Strike on mining issue hits life in state. Special Juvenile Police Units formed. Radhesham briefs Union HRD Minister.
Now, before we wrap up the top stories once again. Locals disgruntled by illegal electrofishing in Loktak Lake. Janim's professors, body demands early implementation of timescale promotion. And sit-in staged to condemn allegations by KCP PWG against school principal. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.